you're about to get scammed. Dealerships want you to sign an 84-month loan on an $80,000 luxury SUV that'll hit you with a $4,000 air suspension bill the second the warranty expires. Stop falling for it. There is an entire market of cheap, over-engineered SUVs that mechanics actually respect because they refuse to die. We're talking proven V6 engines and bulletproof transmissions that cost absolutely pennies to keep on the road. Today, we're counting down the 15 cheap SUVs that are actually more reliable than expensive ones, leading straight to the ultimate million-mile luxury tank at number 1. Number 15, 2011 to 2014 Ford Edge 3.5L V6, $7,000, $11,000. While BMW X3 owners are actively going bankrupt, replacing shattered plastic charge pipes and failing turbochargers, you can buy a completely bulletproof Ford Edge for around $9,000. But there is a massive catch. You must entirely avoid Ford's complicated EcoBoost turbo engines, which are notorious for internal coolant leaks. If you explicitly seek out the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter Cyclone V6 engine, you are getting an absolute mechanical workhorse. This engine completely bypasses the catastrophic cam phaser rattling and turbo failures that plague modern Fords. It utilizes a highly durable timing chain, and replacement components cost virtually nothing at your local auto parts store. You get a spacious, comfortable ride that will easily surpass 200,000 miles with basic fluid changes, saving you thousands of dollars a year in maintenance compared to a German crossover. But if you need standard all-wheel drive for brutal winters, the Japanese crossover at number 14 is a mechanical fortress. Number 14, 2014 to 2018 Subaru Forester 2.5L, $12,000, $16,000. Buying a used Range Rover Evoque is a guaranteed financial death sentence filled with electrical nightmares and transmission failures. Instead, take $14,000 and buy the 4th-generation Subaru Forester. By 2014, Subaru had officially solved the infamous head gasket failures that plagued their older engines by redesigning the FB25 naturally aspirated 2.5-liter boxer engine. It uses a robust timing chain instead of a fragile belt, and the symmetrical all-wheel drive system is mathematically superior to the slip and grip systems found in modern expensive SUVs. It lacks the complex, fragile air suspensions of luxury brands, relying instead on heavy-duty traditional struts that cost under $200 to replace. You are getting unstoppable winter capability and massive cargo space without the terrifying repair anxiety. However, if you want to completely abandon unibody crossovers and buy a genuine body-on-frame 4x4, the vehicle at number 13 is an absolute tank. Number 13, 2007 to 2015 Nissan Xterra, $8,000, $14,000. Land Rover LR4 owners are currently paying $8,000 to fix catastrophic timing chain guide failures. You can completely bypass that nightmare by buying a late-model Nissan Xterra for roughly the same price as the Land Rover's repair bill. If you specifically buy a 2011 to 2015 model, which completely avoids the earlier strawberry milkshake of death radiator defect, you are getting an indestructible off-road machine. It is powered by the legendary VQ40DE 4.0-liter V6 engine, an absolute brute that produces massive low-end torque for rock crawling and towing. Built on the rugged F-Alpha truck frame, the Xterra features a solid rear axle and an available heavy-duty manual transmission. It is a genuine utilitarian rock crawler that costs pennies to maintain compared to highly sensitive British off-roaders. But if you want a compact luxury experience without the German luxury repair bills, the modern SUV at number 12 is a massive algorithmic surprise. Number 12, 2020 to 2023 Buick Encore GX, $15,000, $19,000. Dealerships will aggressively push you toward a Mercedes-Benz GLA or Gleb, completely hiding the fact that those entry-level German crossovers suffer from severe electronic faults and harsh failing dual-clutch transmissions. The Buick Encore GS completely humiliates those European options. According to the absolute latest 2026 J.D. Power Vehicle Dependability Studies, the Encore GX repeatedly ranks in the top 3 for the entire small SUV segment, boasting a massive 90 out of 100 reliability score. You can pick up a low-mileage, 3-year-old model for around $17,000. GM engineered this specific platform to be incredibly durable, utilizing a simple turbocharged powertrain that aggressively rejects the electrical gremlins found in German competitors. It delivers a whisper-quiet, premium cabin experience without forcing you to finance a $50,000 luxury mistake. While that Buick is perfect for the city, if you have a massive family, the boxy tank at number 11 is the ultimate people hauler. Number 11, 2009 to 2015 Honda Pilot, $10,000, $15,000. An Audi Q7 will lose 60% of its value in just a few years, while simultaneously bankrupting you with water pump failures and burning oil. The second-generation Honda Pilot does the exact opposite. For around $12,000, you are buying into the legendary J35 3.5-liter V6 engine. This is one of the most reliable and over-engineered V6 blocks Honda ever machined. The second-generation Pilot was built like a cinder block. It features a rugged, boxy design that maximizes third-row headroom and cargo capacity. While modern three-row SUVs use fragile turbocharged 4 cylinders that struggle under heavy loads, the Pilot relies on pure, naturally aspirated V6 displacement. Just disable the variable cylinder management system with a cheap aftermarket tuner, and this massive SUV will easily haul your family past 300,000 miles. But if you strictly want a 5-seater and refuse to deal with turbocharger failures, you have to buy a very specific trim level of the SUV at number 10. Number 10, 2017 to 2020 Honda Kia-V LX trim. $16,000, $19,000. Volkswagen Tiguan owners are constantly battling check engine lights, panoramic sunroof leaks, and electrical harness failures. The Honda Kia-V is the obvious reliable alternative, but there is a massive mechanic's secret you must know. You must entirely avoid the X and Touring trims because they use the 1.5-liter turbo engine, which suffers from severe oil dilution in cold climates. You have to buy the base model LX trim. For around $17,000, the LX trim gives you the unkillable K24W 2.4-liter naturally aspirated engine. It completely removes the fragile turbocharger and the direct injection dilution risks. You are getting one of the most spacious, fuel-efficient compact SUVs on Earth, powered by a legacy engine block that Honda has perfected over 2 decades. It is the ultimate financial cheat code. If you prefer V6 power but still want Toyota reliability, the forgotten crossover at number 9 is an absolute steal. Number 9, 2009 to 2015 Toyota Venza V6, $10,000, $16,000. Buying a used Porsche Macan means you are fully accepting a $3,000 repair bill for a leaking timing cover before the car even hits 80,000 miles. You can spend $13,000 on a first-generation Toyota Venza V6 and completely avoid the mechanic's shop for a decade. The Venza was wildly misunderstood when it launched. It is essentially a widened, lifted Toyota Camry wagon. But if you specifically buy the V6 model, you are getting the legendary 2GR Phi 3.5-liter engine. This engine pushes 268 horsepower and is widely considered one of the most reliable V6 engines ever manufactured on planet Earth. It provides the smooth, aggressive passing power of a German luxury crossover, but it uses cheap, mass-produced Toyota parts. It is a highly practical, incredibly comfortable sleeper that completely ignores luxury repair taxes. Speaking of that exact unkillable V6, Toyota did something genuinely insane with it in our number 8 spot. Number 8, 2006 to 2012 Toyota RAV4 V6, $8,000, $13,000. The BMW X5 is an absolute money pit that will aggressively leak oil from the valve cover gaskets and oil filter housing until your wallet is empty. The third-generation Toyota RAV4 is the complete opposite, and it holds a massive mechanical secret. For around $10,000, you can buy a RAV4 equipped with the exact same 269 horsepower 2GR Phi V6 engine found in heavy Lexus sedans. Toyota shoved a massive V6 into a lightweight, compact crossover chassis, accidentally creating an absolute rocket ship that hits 60 mph in under 6.5 seconds. It completely outruns expensive European SUVs of the same era, but because it relies on simple, naturally aspirated Toyota engineering, it never actually breaks down. It is a wildly fast, highly reliable sleeper that dealerships pray you never discover. But if you want modern handling dynamics that rival a sports car without the luxury price tag, the vehicle at number 7 is a masterpiece. Number 7, 2014 to 2020 Mazda CX-5 2.5L, $14,000, $19,000. Jaguar F-Pace owners are routinely punished with failing infotainment screens and catastrophic supercharger issues. Meanwhile, the Mazda CX-5 delivers a premium, driver-focused experience for around $16,000 with zero mechanical anxiety. Mazda completely rejected the auto industry's obsession with fragile, small displacement turbo engines and unreliable CV transmissions. Instead, the CX-5 utilizes the brilliant Skyactiv G 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine paired with a traditional, heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission. This drivetrain is practically indestructible. The CX-5 features heavy, communicative steering, a highly refined interior with zero cheap plastics, and a chassis that feels like it was tuned by Porsche engineers. You get the aggressive driving dynamics and interior quietness of a $60,000 luxury SUV, completely backed by Japanese reliability and low maintenance costs. However, if you want genuine, undeniable luxury without the European repair bills, our number 6 spot is the ultimate safe haven. Number 6, 2010 to 2015 Lexus RX 350, $18,000. A used Mercedes-Benz Gill is a rolling computer that will eventually require a $5,000 dashboard teardown just to fix a broken climate control module. The third-generation Lexus RX 350 completely annihilates that business model. Hovering right around $15,000 on the used market, this is widely considered the greatest financial cheat code in the luxury SUV space. It utilizes the bulletproof 3.5-liter V6 engine, avoiding the massive complexity of modern hybrid batteries and turbochargers. The interior is a masterpiece of quiet luxury, featuring genuine wood trim, massive amounts of sound deadening, and supple leather seats that refuse to crack or tear even after 150,000 miles. You get the absolute pinnacle of executive-level comfort, but when you take it to the mechanic, you are only charged for basic Toyota maintenance. But if you want a vehicle that completely rejects luxury and focuses entirely on utilitarian survival, look at number 5. Number 5, 2003 to 2011, Honda Element $12,000. People are currently spending $75,000 on the new Land Rover Defender to get a rugged, boxy aesthetic, completely ignoring the fact that it will spend a month at the dealership waiting for software updates. For under $10,000, the Honda Element offers vastly superior utilitarian practicality and literal immortality. Underneath that polarizing plastic-clad box is the legendary Honda K24 2.4-liter engine. This is the exact same engine block used in high-performance Honda sports cars, meaning it is massively over-engineered for a daily driven SUV. The interior features urethane-coated floors that you can literally hose out, and the rear seats completely fold flat against the windows to create a massive cargo cavern. It is a hyper-practical, unkillable machine that is vastly superior for actual outdoor lifestyles than fragile modern luxury rigs. While the Element is a 4-cylinder legend, the massive family hauler at number 4 utilizes V6 power to achieve immortality. Number 4, 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander V6, $16,000, $21,000. If you buy a used Volvo XC90, you are gambling your entire savings account on a highly stressed engine that is both supercharged and turbocharged, guaranteeing a massive failure. The third-generation Toyota Highlander takes the exact opposite approach. For around $18,000, you are getting an incredibly spacious 3-row family SUV powered by the ultra-reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine. Toyota refused to downsize this engine, ensuring that it never has to struggle to pull the massive chassis. It features a heavy-duty conventional automatic transmission, massive interior storage compartments, and a ride quality that perfectly absorbs brutal city potholes. It is the ultimate heavy-duty family transport, designed specifically to hit 300,000 miles with nothing but standard oil changes and brake pads. If you don't need the third row, but want the ultimate iteration of modern Toyota reliability, the SUV at number 3 is mathematically perfect. Number 3, 2016 to 2019 Toyota RAV4 2.5L, $15,000, $19,000. An Audi Q5 will rapidly stretch its timing chain, leading to a catastrophic engine failure that costs $6,000 to fix. The 4th-generation Toyota RAV4 entirely sidesteps European mechanical fragility. Specifically, the 2016 to 2019 models are statistically some of the lowest failure rate SUVs ever manufactured. Priced around $17,000, these models utilize the 2ARF 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine. It has absolutely zero turbochargers, no fragile direct injection high-pressure fuel pumps, and it uses a highly durable timing chain. According to massive data aggregators like iCars, this specific generation of RAV4 exceeds 97% reliability ratings even after crossing 150,000 miles. It is mathematically the smartest financial decision you can make in the compact crossover market, offering incredible safety scores and zero depreciation anxiety. But if you want a massive V8-powered behemoth that dwarfs everything on the road, our number 2 spot completely destroys expensive American luxury. Number 2, 2008 to 2019 Toyota Sequoia, $14,000, $22,000. If you buy a Cadillac Escalade or a Chevy Tahoe, you are actively waiting for the Active Fuel Management TEM system to instantly collapse a lifter and destroy your camshaft, resulting in a $5,000 engine rebuild. The second-generation Toyota Sequoia completely ignores cylinder deactivation. For roughly $18,000, you are getting an absolute Leviathan powered by the legendary 3UR FE 5.7-liter V8 engine. This is the exact same engine block Toyota used to tow the space shuttle. It produces 381 horsepower and 401 lb-ft of torque, all without using a single turbocharger or fragile fuel-saving gimmick. Built on the Tundra truck frame, it features a massive, cavernous interior that comfortably seats 8 adults. It gets terrible gas mileage, but the money you save by entirely avoiding the mechanic's shop will pay for the fuel 10 times over. As indestructible as that V8 is, nothing on earth prepares you for the sheer, terrifying reliability and luxury of our number 1 spot. Number 1, 2003 to 2009 Lexus GX 470, $18,000. Forget the $140,000 Mercedes G-Wagon that spends more time in the service bay than on the road, and completely forget the unreliably fragile modern luxury off-roaders. The Lexus GX 470 is a confirmed, body-on-frame production tank that defies all logic, reason, and financial sense, proving definitively that you do not need to be rich to drive absolute perfection. Underneath this understated luxury exterior sits the 2UZ FE 4.7-liter V8 engine. This specific engine block is globally recognized by mechanics as a million-mile motor. It is a cast-iron block V8 that was over-engineered to such an extreme degree that catastrophic failure is practically impossible if you simply change the oil and the timing belt. Built on the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser Prado chassis, the GX 470 features a heavy-duty, full-time 4-wheel drive system, a locking center differential, and an interior wrapped in premium leather and real wood that refuses to age. For approximately $15,000, you are getting executive-level silence on the highway, military-grade survival capabilities off-road, and an engine that will literally outlive your grandchildren. The most reliable luxury SUV ever built by human hands costs exactly $15,000, and while European luxury owners are crying at the dealership service desk, GX 470 owners are comfortably driving past 300,000 miles without a single check engine light. The modern luxury SUV market is designed to drain your wallet with fake prestige and fragile, overcomplicated engineering. You do not need a toxic auto loan to drive a high-end reliable machine. If you want to see the 10 used luxury sedans that are actually bulletproof financial cheat codes, click the video on your screen right now. Subscribe so you do not miss the next one.